Tēnā koutou katoa. Ko tūtū māpau te maunga, ko te hoiere te awa, ko raukawakawa te moana, ko kura haupo te waka, ko Ngāti Kuia te iwi, ko ngai tū te paurangi te hapu, ko te hora te marae, ko te hora te pā. Tihei Māori ora. Kia ora everyone, my name's Tom Alesana and I'm a teacher at Nelson Intermediate, based in Nelson, but was brought up here in the Pelorus area. The Pelorus, and particularly the river, is dear to my heart as my ancestral river, and I have swum, I have drunk, and I have played in the river all my life. It plays an important part to me and my people here of Ngāti Kuia, and we're absolutely thrilled to be part of the restoration project that is happening here to revitalise our awa tipuna and to ensure that our river is alive and well for our future generations.